Friends, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, we had done the first exercise on vendor consignment process, where we had created a vendor consignment purchase order and displayed the consignment, that is the vendor consignment ordered stock in MMB. Now we will take up the next exercise. Here, we will post the goods receipt for the consignment PO and display the vendor consignment stock in MMBE and also in MB54 transaction. Okay. Now we have this purchase order. This is the purchase order, we had created in the previous exercise, which this is the vendor consignment purchase order with the item category K we can see here. Now we will post the goods receipt for this vendor consignment purchase order. I will copy this purchase order and to post the goods receipt, we have to use the transaction code MIGO. Let me go to another SAP screen here. Okay, I will input the T code MIGO. Okay, so here we have to select goods receipt purchase order, input the purchase order which I have copied from my PO display screen, enter. The system will copy all the details. Material. This is the consignment material, the quantity, and where this movement type. Here you can see here in the movement type 101, we can see the special stock category K, which is consignment stock. Everything it will copy from the consignment purchase order. Now we have to select item OK box and click on button. Okay, document is okay. We got the message document is okay, means everything is fine. We can post the goods receipt for the purchase order. Click on post. Yeah, receipt is posted and material document is generated by the system. So this is the material document number. Now, after the goods receipt is posted here, we can display the GR document in the purchase order here, in the item details of the purchase order here. So here, before posting the GR, this purchase order history tab page will not be there. After posting the GR, it will come here. I will just click on display change button here. Okay, I can see here, purchase order history tab page has appeared here. Okay, I will just click again on display change because I'm not going to make any changes here. Go to the item detail. Here I can see the ship material document number. Okay, which we had just now posted. Now after posting the GR, we have to see the vendor consignment stock in MMB. See, before we posted the GR, I had checked the vendor consignment stock. Means immediately after creating the consignment purchase order, the stock of the material will look like this. Means consignment ordered. Means purchase order we have created a consignment purchase order for 10 quantity for this material. Okay, so this is how the stock will look like after we create the purchase order. Now, after we post the GR for the purchase order, the stock should come here as within unrestricted, but it will be shown as vendor consignment stock here. It will come here. Okay. Now I will just refresh this one. See, the stock has come under unrestricted use stock and 10 quantity, but still it is showing as vendor consignment. Means the stock belong to vendor. It doesn't belong to us. Okay, it is property of vendor, hence it is showing as vendor consignment stock 10 quantity. Okay, so it is still owned by the vendor. Okay, so and let us also display the stock in MB54. Okay, so I have displayed the stock in MMBE. Let us see how does the stock look like in MB54. Okay, I am just going back here. We'll go back here to my SAP EVSS screen here. So in this MB54, okay, the path is logistics, material management, inventory management, environment, consignment from vendor stock, MB54. I will double click on MB54. Here input our consignment material and plant and execute. We can see here that, the 10 quantity of the material is vendor consignment stock. See here, we can see here the consignment stock. That means immediately after we push the GR for any consignment purchase order, Then the vendor consignment stock will be displayed in MB54 as vendor consignment stock, and also in MMBE also we can see the vendor consignment stock. So in my next, okay, in the next video, we will post the vendor consignment stock to our own stock. That means we will transfer the vendor consignment stock to own stock and see how does the stock look like in MMB. Okay. So thank you for watching my video, and soon, we will see in the next video to transfer the vendor consignment stock to own stock. See you till then.